What if I told you there's one habit, just one, that quietly separates people who keep winning from those who keep restarting? It's not talent, not luck, not even discipline. It's something deeper, simpler, and way more powerful. And here's the weird part. Most people think they're doing it, but they're not. Because this one habit gives you an unfair edge, mentally, emotionally, even socially. It's like an invisible force successful people use, but never really explain. So today, I'll not only show you what it is, I'll show you exactly how to build it, even if you failed 100 times before. All right, here it is. The habit is showing up with intention, even when you don't feel ready. Sounds too simple, right? But that's exactly why most people miss it. See, everyone shows up. You wake up, you scroll, you go to work, you live your day. But 99% people show up unconsciously. They're reacting to the world. Notifications decide their mood. Other people's expectations decide their schedule. And then they call it a bad day. But that 1%, the people who actually grow, who get ahead, who look calmer under pressure, they don't just show up. They show up with intention. Every action they take has a why behind it. They start their morning asking one simple question. What do I actually want from today? That's the edge. Intention is what turns effort into momentum. Take this simple example. Imagine two people go to the gym. Both do the same workout, but one's there because he has to stay fit. The other's there because he's training his mind to conquer resistance. Who do you think lasts longer? The second one. Every rep he does is feeding his identity, not his ego. That's the power of intention. When you do things with intention, your brain starts to wire around purpose, not pressure. That's why your progress stops feeling forced. It starts feeling natural. There's even neuroscience behind this. When you set a clear intention, your brain activates the reticular activating system, a filter that focuses your attention only on what matters. It's the same reason when you buy a new car, you suddenly start seeing it everywhere. Your brain sees what you tell it to look for. So when you wake up saying, I want to be 1% better today, your mind literally begins scanning reality for ways to make that happen. And that's how people with unfair edges operate, not through hustle, but through direction. Now here's the sad truth. Most people never build this habit because they confuse movement with meaning. They stay busy, but not aligned. Productive, but not fulfilled. And the more they chase, the emptier they feel. You felt that too, right? That quiet sense that you're working hard, but not moving forward. That's your soul reminding you lost your intention. So here's how to fix it. Starting tomorrow, try this 3-step reset. It takes literally 2 minutes. Step 1, pause. Before starting anything, gym, work, call, script, take a 10-second pause. Step 2, set a micro intention. Ask, what's my purpose right now? It could be to learn, to stay calm, or to finish this one thing with focus. Step 3, anchor it. Say it out loud or write it somewhere. That physical act locks your intention in your subconscious. Do this every day for 21 days. You'll start noticing a weird calm confidence, like the noise around you matters less. You stop reacting, you start creating. Most people think success is about doing more. It's not. It's about doing the right thing on purpose. The moment you start living intentionally, your results stop being random. You stop feeling like life's happening to you and start realizing it's happening through you. That's your unfair edge. Not luck, not grind, but awareness. Because the truth is, the real high performers don't move faster than you. They just move with meaning. So here's your challenge. Tomorrow morning, before you touch your phone, whisper one clear intention to yourself. Something like, today I'll act from focus, not fear. Do that daily. Watch your decisions, your discipline, and your destiny all shift quietly in your favor. And that is how one simple habit gives you an unfair edge over almost everyone around you.